What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at this GaNinno phone mount. So this goes ahead and mounts on the back of your iPhone using a technology very similar to MagSafe, but this allows you to make anything MagSafe. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so here we go. We have the mount here on the back of the phone all ready to go. This is super nice. It's a metal construction, so you can go ahead and just mount it like that, and that just pops right on off. So if you don't have MagSafe on your device already, you can just add this little ring that's included, and now you are MagSafe ready. And nice and flat, fits very nicely. You know, you don't even notice it with the magnet on the back, which is really nice. And here in the gym, if you're working out, you want to do something, you can go ahead and use it to set your phone on things as a mount, which is awesome. And then another pop socket also comes with the kit as well. And the cool thing about this is that it fits right here in the middle of the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. There we go. And then we can go ahead and just fit it right there. So if I had the mount on, I can still use it like that, or go ahead, pull my pop socket out, use that as a mount, or use it to hold my phone. Super cool, very nice. So if you have a MagSafe device, iPhone 13, 14, and you are looking for a mount, or if you have an older device and you have a MagSafe case, or you want to make your case MagSafe, you can go ahead and do that with this right here and use it in different scenarios, just like here in the gym, to mount your phone while you are working out.